Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Stand with feet about 12 inches apart and knees slightly soft. Keep your spine straight and your shoulders level. Relax your face and adopt a neutral mechanical expression like a machine. Take a steady 2-second inhale and a 2-second exhale to set tempo and control. Imagine each joint is rigid and moves only in fixed increments. Commit mentally to deliberate, unemotional motions before you start moving your limbs. Begin by isolating the neck and rotate it slowly in controlled, small movements. Move your shoulders after the neck, one side at a time, with precise placement. Rotate elbows and wrists in deliberate 45-degree increments and hold each pose. Bend only the joint you are focusing on and keep surrounding muscles still. Pause for 5 to 2 seconds between each isolated action to emphasize mechanical timing. Maintain steady breathing and consistent tempo throughout this isolation practice. Start the robot walk by placing the heel down first and then the flat foot. Keep each step short, about 6 inches, and move in straight lines only. Transfer weight using a 90-degree hip pivot without swaying or natural roll. Hold each position for 0.5 to 1 second to create a staccato, mechanical rhythm. Use small, controlled knee bends and locked ankle motion for a stiff appearance. Practice smooth transitions between isolated moves to maintain continuous robotic illusion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.